I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Infiniti G37 safely and easily. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your car is on a flat, hard surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. You will need a good quality floor jack and at least 2, preferably 4, sturdy jack stands. Ensure your jack stands have a weight rating of at least 3 tons for adequate support. Using pinch weld adapters can help protect your vehicle's frame from damage. Now, let's lift the front of your G37. Look underneath the front of the car, between the front wheels, for a central jacking point. You'll find a small dimple or bump on the subframe, just behind the plastic underbody shield. Carefully position your floor jack directly beneath this point. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the entire front of the vehicle to your desired working height. Take your time and ensure the car lifts evenly. Once the front is lifted, it's time to secure it with jack stands. Locate the reinforced pinch welds along the side skirts, typically marked with 2 small notches. These are ideal spots for your jack stands. If you have them, use rubber pads or hockey pucks with a slit to protect the pinch welds from bending. Position a jack stand under each side's pinch weld, then slowly lower the car onto them. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm it is stable and secure on the stands. To lift the rear, find the differential housing, often called the pumpkin, located centrally between the rear wheels. Place your floor jack under this point and raise the rear of the car. Once lifted, position your remaining 2 jack stands under the rear pinch welds, just like you did for the front. Double-check that all 4 stands are stable before working. When you are ready to lower the car, slightly raise it with the jack, remove the stands, and then slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.